everyone and welcome back to my channel. This look might be quite familiar to you guys because I literally just finished filming my own beauty makeup review, and now I'm going on to film a haul for you guys because can we just at how flipping cute Nala is right now. Where she like curled up and went like, oh, she's so cute. Anyway, yeah, so I'm kind of digging this makeup look. It's kind of cute, it's kind of a vibe. But yeah, now I need to show you guys what I got from Blue Water the other day. It's a massive shopping haul in England. It's a massive shopping haul, that's what I'm giving you guys. It's a massive shopping centre, and yeah, I basically bought too much stuff from there, and I just want to show you guys everything I got because I'm absolutely in love with everything. And yes, this is also going to be a try on, so what I'm going to do is the same old. I'm going to talk through everything and then I'll show you guys it on. The first thing I got, I'm just going to show you it now. Don't know if it suits me, but I got it for Creamfields because I thought, why not? Like, how funny. Like, how cute is this hat? Sorry, I really wanted a bucket hat, guys. I don't know if they suit me. I don't know if they suit me or if I just look like a fisherman, but it's kind of cute, is it not? I'll show you an outfit in a minute because I've got like an outfit in mind with this, but yeah, this is really cute. So let's Fran, oh god, the fluffy hair. It's a Les Frans, is it It's Frans, Let's Frans, whatever you want to call it. That is the brand, and it's just this beige bucket hat. And I thought it was really cute for summer and for festivals, so that went straight in my basket. I got this from Urban Outfitters. So I'm going to show you guys what I got from Urban Outfitters first because everything is in the top. So the second thing I got from Urban Outfitters is this really cute oversized t-shirt. I don't know, there was something about it that just shouted out to me. I think it's like the vibrant colours, and I think it's a little bit wacky, it's a little bit cool, it's a bit different, it's like space aliens. I don't know what the hell those people are on the front, but it says Sunday Club, and I thought that was really cute, so I absolutely love this. So because it's oversized, I got this in a size small actually, because they were kind of like oversized the t-shirts anyway. But how flipping cute is this? I don't know, just I saw it in Urban Outfitters before, and I guess I went back and I was like, I still really like that. It's a sign to get it, so I got it. Crochet top, but obviously I'm thinking of wearing a bralette underneath this, like a black bralette, and I think that will look so cute with like a pair of cycling shorts, my bucket hat at Creamfields. I don't know, something about this is just super cute and I absolutely love it. Corset type top, and obviously right now it's really fashionable to just wear like a corset and jeans, so I don't know, I just thought it was so nice, and I love the colour that I picked it up in. It's kind of like this, say like bogey green, don't really know how else to say it. It's like a sagey, really light green, and it's just so pretty. So it's lace detailing and it's got little flowers on it, and I just thought, yeah, how cute is that going to be with jeans? I'll probably show you guys it on with jeans. I just absolutely love that. It's absolutely to die for, and I picked this up in a size small. Next place I'm going to move on to is actually, I just wanted to show you this, guys, because I ordered this online, but it is this really cute cord from Outcast Clothing, which is a brand that I found on Instagram, and I absolutely love them. I bought a dress from them, actually 2 dresses from them before, and I loved them so much that I bought this other one. So this is like a skirt, and it's a festival outfit. So I got this because I'm going to a festival in summer, and I just thought, why not start getting my festival numbers? It's so cute. It's like this almost blurry kind of effect on it. This is the top. Obviously you guys can see it on me because it's really awkward to kind of show how you wear this, but this is the top, and oh my god, I love it. I love the little bits that hang down on the front. Again, it's kind of like corset vibes. This is the thing with summer. You have to start buying for summer now because you will not find nothing. Well, that's a lie. You probably will, but you'll hardly find much that you want to get. In Zara, I picked up this top that I'm actually wearing now. It is literally just a white ruched crop top. There's no other way to explain it. It's got these little like bow ties here, which are really cute, and I just absolutely love it. I just feel like I can't ever have enough basic tops in my wardrobe, but with like the idea of the festival in mind. It's this really cute orange bodysuit, and if you didn't know, orange is Leo's colour apparently, and I'm a Leo, if you guys didn't know that. So I was like, oh my god, like, I don't know, just something really shouted out to me, and I was so shocked that they had it in my size. I was like, what the hell? Because usually when I go to Blue Water, I don't really find much, and this time I went, I literally found everything and just spent my money. I was like, take my money, just take my money. Take my money, make me broke, make me look amazing. I want to look bomb this summer. So that was the kind of vibe we were going for when I was in Blue Water. Last thing from Zara is these white cycling shorts, and like I was saying, white cycling shorts are great with a baggy t-shirt, or for like festivals, festival looks. You'll probably see me wearing these with some kind of outfit, trying to show them off nicely. But yeah, I think just great for like wearing in summer, and with, like I said, baggy t-shirts, festival outfits, you name it, you can do pretty much anything with a pair. So I just picked up a white pair, Primark, guys, and oh my god, can we talk for a second? I never find out anything that I like in Primark, never. And I went and I found this really cute pink two-piece, why is it so bright? Here you go. I found this really cute pink like underwear set, but the crop top, it's basically like a crop top. Like I could wear it like I'm wearing this one right now. It's not like too little. And then obviously it comes with a cheeky thong. But yeah, really cute. I love the colour. I wanted this in the bralette version, but they didn't have it. So this is it. But yeah, really cute. They had it in my size in the bralette, so this is the bralette. And then obviously again, comes with a little thong, really cheeky, really nice, love it. And I think I'm going to wear this, I'll show you guys actually, I think I'm going to wear this like underneath that crochet knitted top with, wait for it, with these black cycling shorts, which I picked up from Primark as well. So obviously at the minute everyone's going mental about like the pink and white and the lilac and white cycling sets, but I couldn't find any in my size in them, and to be honest, I'd probably grow out of them, like as in grow out of style. I wouldn't like them as much, so I just picked up a black pair, which literally was the last in my size. And yeah, can't go wrong with a black staple piece cycling shorts again. I got this really cute little black like tank top which matches the cycling shorts. Got some classic pants that they do in Primark, which are the hipster style, but they're so cute, and they gave me Austin Powers vibes. So they're really thin material as well, which is perfect because these are the one, this is the like material that doesn't show up underneath your clothes. So I had to pick up some of them. Another pack of 3 hipster ones, but these are cotton and they're really cute colours. Run to Primark and get the home diffusers now, because oh my gosh, amber and bay leaf, I'm not even joking. This you need in your life is a diffuser. I'm not going to open it because I don't want to use it yet, but that's what it looks like. And you get the sticks in there too, and that was literally £2.50 for that, and that's literally going to last me for ages, I hope. This to your bath or whatever, because it's got these little sucky bits on the back, and you literally just put a bit of shampoo in there. I use shampoo because I just feel like it's the most realistic thing to use on like hair and like brushes, I don't know. So I use a bit of shampoo, water, literally just scrub it in there, scrub a dub dub, and out comes your makeup in that. So I just thought that was a brilliant purchase. Literally £2, so I love that. I didn't really need them because I've already got some of these, like with the Molly May Beauty Works, but they're just these really cute daisy, really pretty daisy, like hair clips. I don't know, just for like putting your hair back when you're doing your makeup or when you're styling your hair or whatever. I don't know, I just thought they were so cute. So I just had to pick them up. But yeah, that is everything I got, guys. So that is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really hope you guys watched the whole thing because I literally am obsessed with everything I picked up. And I'll see you guys all in my next video, which is going to be quite a fun one again. So obviously I'm filming a lot of stuff at the minute. I'm trying to post weekly. I'm sorry my last video went up like 2 weeks instead of 1 week, but it's better than nothing, and I'm clearly motivated for this, guys. So that is everything that I got. Absolutely love everything. Blue Water is the one, or it was the one this time. Look at Nala. If you guys like this video for anything, just like it for Nala, you know, just give the video a like for this cute adorable little puppy just having a sleep back here. I absolutely love filming these videos for you guys, and if you would like to see more videos like this from me, then please click the like button, comment down below anything you want to, subscribe if you want to so you don't miss my face again, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye. Stop watching.